have made it public. It came from only Pakono de Bremen.
You see how she tried to language.
Only Pakono de Bremen. Catchere meme fua meti he say Lady Julia Otum Foyere and a can't say from Bremen. Otum Foyere.
Mama Akwaba. What friend me Adjoa searching Mesro now was subscribing to my channel. Me a notification bell no so for more news. Ebuso afogana for more amanone and then the omaso ede esi Marie amwakwa Boadu. Nesono. Na ebuso answer na mede nsema Ghana for aka ebebro no sama menu menim ne ha no. Marie amwakwa Boadu, is everything okay? And then and most of you think say you have sense more than any Ghana handle. But we are telling you say no. And now the honorable Kenya compare Japan echi. And now switch echo NDC. And now the dinner another attempt. And now the German Pendada Mahama attempt. You don't know your stand. Since you know you are the same person because of Mampenda Mahama, he has no right to become a president again. Because Nene may be obeying and try. What has happened? What has changed? Man, you remain the same because you don't have sense more than Yene Tigana Hani. You don't have sense more than Yene experience of Mampenda da Mahamani 4 years no. And I do so no. Do you know the stress we went through? Do you know the trauma we went through? Do you know what Julo no DB Coastal? Do you know what they went through? Do you know what's operation? Do you know what they went through? I mean, what is this? And now Maria Mwakwa Boadu is saying, and I say, oh yeah, political more ashawupa. Maria Mwakwa Boadu mana. And then I say, just over some who be or just a Japade document book here, banner there, a year two for or say to Neren or the book no command, and Nibusiania, Nibusian and Anado. So when she's talking, she knows what she's talking about. Mammy, shut up, now hiding. As a man. At first, not be power because me no. It's not about NPP, it's not about NDC, it's about Obia. Men who say, oh, can carry a Ghana Hanom. Say ALC, B, no matter what your political affiliation. We are NPP, Ninas NPP food in Zimbabwe, we NDC food in Zimbabwe. That means Oto Ghana. So at first I used to like you, but the shared animals say, one cause our selfish interest, not there, sir. Oh, I didn't know. Yense, and some Ghana for your mobile. Maria Mwakwa Boadu.
I have the problem. Lady Julia Tinebe bio. Mami yentina no kasepo. Kacho said this woman or ye Bayifuo. Maria Mwakwa Boadu or ye Bayifuo. Or ye Bayifuo. Lady Julia Busianfuo. Protect your daughter. Because this woman can cause a lot of damage to the country Ghana. She does not deserve to live. I swear to God. This woman, Marie Boadu, does not deserve to be around people because she is very dangerous for humanity. When our politics now, oh yeah, your politics. When your politics now, oh yeah, Marie Boadu, your politics. Lady Julia, what in the bed be lawyer moi. Ah, what Bob Brachi, who quasi and Pabra, and the bow damu say, would you have free sebe, UK ho, Edenam Ghana, sec, na my dear Yano. Lady Julia, what Bob Bra, etching. Ubo would ye ya, Marie, and Kenyan and the send, no one more. What do I know to from you? Marie, one and baby, would draw a room say we a teacher assistant in Tia with the web brochure. Bianca, which a teacher assistant no see any year, and Kenyan and say, and there one namna somewhere ending dear one home shade, dear Mwa, and no Kwana Marie Boadu the bed to what did dear tro. Say Lady Julia Busu and four sha. Say Lady Julia, ne handless sha. Say Manhyia for Shamia. Oba bodam for Bayifuo be say. Japade book na yesi oche hene ne nkrofo pese ye di wia Ghana Japade ni na no. Eye Lady Julia ene de suma obi Say on fan komasa or bow down for way na unim. I always say say Ghana for we are cheap because I'm coming to expose them quick. Or say Lady Julia onunibusiani. Meanwhile, Lady Julia didn't. I'm far more onunibusiani direct to. Lady Julia or the conwine the coma will be say. Fakoma asime sinaka chire say me Lady Julia na media asuma o se kubriki. Listen to this. I'll bring it right back. That's so you know. See her.
Ubetni achire baby on your free.
Met you actually baby free yes because
The last first time I met him, I'm we ano nikunu birthday. I'll throw love letter bia na all kind of nikunu. But she's a lawyer, a big time lawyer for that matter. She's an accomplished woman, not a second-hand teacher who doesn't even get a classroom to teach. Yente ye mami Julia no asem. Oni obi wo problem pa yente de wo. Nanso ende abayisem wa aba mari Bayifuo Boadu munti. Yensan ko ka achemfo ani asantefo trimo. What will the husband even think? What will Otumfuo think? So this video even come out with some Bayifuo way talking say, step you afraid the Japadia document no. Down there you Otumfuo ire and they come out Bayifuo ni say won't break it. You see the chaos she's trying to bring even in Manhyia. Otumfuo di na de sentiment in ewura. Onke bin she mon kokan obi ano. Ye kofa politics nya Bayisam akotwe na yere de na bewura politics. And Ghanaians believe this type of nonsense. What are we doing? What are we looking for? What are we seeking for? What is the end goal? Marie Boadu, what is the end goal? Now what do you say? Oh, soja dia gu bi awari mu no. What do you because now kra wo awari papa ben na awari. Who are Jimini? So share the body original or your bear matetefu the baga Jimmy na wo control no why na pimple. Into wo said wujina no awari papa ben pa na awari nti gu ebe how. Wan wari awari papa bia. Sabe Julia de nyame adawro mo lady. Wan gogogo no ho amfa ma small boys amfa yensa wo no. Enti wonya panin de hye mua en wo ware no. Woti awari pem wa wo mapa. Ya fa wo ma bi gina ne yare. Marie Boadu. Sabe alata nkura na wawo mo egu lende won se nkura sefo na o mo anim se ndoi nsem no. Ya afo mo begu abonten ye nhwe. Me say dia wasusu wahyehyɛ sɛ wode bɛma nanado ene ne fie ofori atafie ofori pani fie me kyekere esane ma wo Marie efua amoa kwa Boadu ene wasefo nyinara ababa wo se maami o se oledi panko se de ne yemfre no Marie amoa kwa Boadu ekogina Ghana na ene de wedi tro na metro na twa ne photo ama obi bia wo beti sa audio we bia be hu ne se Marie bayi no afei adane ne dambo nti no osori a obi a no obobo ne din ade na efrafra sem na enuanom dia oba we person ye no Ghana for mama ye taking it lightly mama ye stop on them utie oye Bayifuo medin kaka kire mo me say you want to mean na the page so mo medin da obo medin sa ada no obebo dam obewro no stage opa or ye live or mo medin direct Samari Boadu so your ba da obekina also obekaka na niase kaji ebejimi no ombo me full name keke mo nyina mo betwe na live A bit tears in to say I will be needing. People don't know what is going on. But don't try. But where they are very serious. That is why I decided to talk about this. George, Bayifuo is a mommy we are kwakotna Accra FM with Bobby Ansa. Akwakotwe Lady Julia Otumfuo Ejire how your chini Edenaba Diwe. Now, Adia make us say dangerous, and say